Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have a 2010, it's an Infiniti, an EX35, and if you're watching this video, you're having the same problem that I had trying to reset the maintenance required light. When you follow the manual or even the computer, it tells you to press the upper button to enter it and then the lower button to reset it. But you try doing that and it just doesn't do anything. The key with this is that you need to have the car running in order to reset it. If it's not running, it's not going to reset. It'll just keep on telling you something about see above, you know, and basically have to start it to reset it. Most cars you don't have to do that, but this Infiniti, you do have to have the car running in order to enter that and to reset it. So, all right, let's get in there. I'm going to show you how it's done, and we'll get that wiped off the screen. There's nothing more annoying than looking on your screen while you're driving and having that maintenance required light flashing constantly in your face. Oil filter, oil, and I think it was tire issues as well, rotation or whatever. All right, let's get in there and let's reset it and get this job out the door. Okay, so you're probably making the same mistake that I made trying to reset the maintenance required light. The maintenance was coming up right on the center right here. It said tire maintenance, oil filter maintenance, and oil maintenance. And now if you follow your computer, it tells you to come over here and you press these buttons. And you'll press these buttons until you get to this setting right here. Then it tells you to enter it, you press this one. And when you press it, it shows up, settings not available, see above, and an exit. What you need to do, and this is unusual for most cars, you don't have to do this. This one you need to step on it, on the brake, and start the car. Once you start the car, then you come up over here. Now the key is the car has got to be running. You have to press this button repeatedly until it comes up again. Settings, and now we want to go down to maintenance, and you press this button here to scroll down to maintenance. Then you press the upper button to enter the maintenance, and then you want to go down to engine oil, so you press the lower button to go down, engine oil, then you press the upper button to enter it, and then you're going to scroll down till you get to reset. And now you can see I already reset it, but you would hit the reset button then now, and now you would click on the bottom button here to enter that, and then you would press the reset, and you would reset it. Then you would go back by pressing the upper button. We're going to go back, and then we're going to scroll down to oil filter, press the upper button to enter the oil filter. Then you click it down one notch to reset. You click the upper button again, and you'll see it highlighted. Now you see it's reset to 0 as well, but I actually reset that before. Then you would click on this lower button to enter the oil mileage, and then you would click up the upper button to reset the oil filter, and it did. And now you would go back one more, and you would scroll down till you get to tires. You press the upper button to enter tire, then you click it down one notch with the lower button, and then you press the upper button again, and then you press the lower button. You'll enter it, you see it highlighted in black, and then you press the upper button again, and it resets. And now if you did it correctly, you step on the brake, start it up, and actually we're going to clear this out, so we're right there. We're going to start it up now to see if it's cleared out. And there it is, it's reset. All right. Okay, so that's it. We're all set. Everything worked out really well. It's reset. But it's just frustrating sometimes when you go on the computer or you look in your manual and it doesn't tell you specifically that the vehicle needs to be running in order to reset it. But this particular car, that's the way it is. All right, as always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.